Hello, good day and welcome. Today we're going to be dealing with Bece 2019 Mathematics Past Question, Question 2. Which of the following is not a factor of 18? Which of the following is not a factor of 18? A. 3, B. 9, C. 18, and D. 35. Now pick the main points, the factor of 18. Now what is a factor? Now a factor of any number is the number that can go into that number without a remainder. I'm going to give an example. Without a remainder. Now, example, if I have 6 as a number and then 2 can go into 6, that's 3 times, because 6 divided by 2 will be equals to 3. That means it can go into 6 3 times without any remainder. Therefore, I say 2 is a factor of 6. So now the question says, which of the following is not a factor of 18? That is, which of this number will go into 18 and still have a remainder? Because a factor is a number that goes into another number without a remainder. So which of these will go into 18 and have a remainder? Now, A here says 3. And like we know, 18 divided by 3 will give us 6 without any remainder. So 3 is a factor of 18. B says 9. 18 divided by 9 will give us 2 without any remainder. So therefore, 9 is a factor of 18. Now C here says 18. 18 divided by 18 will give us 1 without a remainder. So therefore, 18 is a factor of 18. Because 18 times 1 will give us 18. Now D here says 35. D here says 35. Now if you look at it, 18 divided by 35, you see that what? This 35 is larger than 18. That means what? 35 cannot go into 18 because 35 is larger than 18, and therefore you cannot regard 35 as a factor of 18, because we say factor of a number is the number that can go into that number without a remainder. And if you look at 35 here, 35 is larger than 18 and cannot go into 18. That means you can't divide 18 by 35. So definitely 35 is not a factor of 18. And the question says, which of the following is not a factor of 18? So for this question, D is our answer. 35. It is not a factor of 18. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure you subscribe to the channel to get more videos.